Welcome back to my channel Fiverr Gig. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rank higher in Fiverr's search results and most importantly, the proven steps you can take to get your very first order, to create a Fiverr account. I already created a video on this topic. Watch now, the link is in the description, and I also add on I button top of the video. First off, let's talk about what Fiverr is and how it works. Fiverr is a global online marketplace for freelance services. And your gig is your store on this platform where you showcase your services. It all starts with keyword research. Before setting up your gig, do thorough keyword research to know what your target audience is searching for. Use tools such as Google Keyword Planner to find keywords with high search volume and low competition. Now it's time to optimize your gig by creating an attractive title, a compelling description, and tags that match your keyword research. Make sure your gig's title is clear and concise, and your gig's description is detailed, professional, and well-written. To create Fiverr Gig, I already created a video on this topic. Watch. Now the link is in the description, and I also add on I button top of the video. Set your gig's pricing and packages competitively. When you're new to Fiverr, offer your services at a lower rate and create affordable packages that appeal to your target audience. Promote your gig through social media channels and other platforms where your target audience is active. Collaborate with other freelancers in your niche and offer to exchange insights and tips to get more gig exposure. Communication is key when it comes to getting your first order. Always be prompt and professional while communicating with clients, and make sure to deliver the highest quality of work according to your client's expectations. And don't forget to ask for a review, which will help you get more sales. Now you know the proven steps to get your gig ranked higher in Fiverr's search results and how to get your very first order. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more tips and tricks on how to get success on Fiverr.